Hello students, welcome to my channel Incipient Doc. I am Borsha, a MBBS student from West Bengal. Today we are going to discuss plant kingdom. Stay with me till the last to brush up yourself a little bit extra. In 2019, 2 questions were from this chapter, and this year we can expect at least 3 to 4 questions from plant kingdom. So our first question is, cyanobacteria are classified under A. Protista, B. Plantae, C. Monera, D. Algae, and the correct answer is C. Monera. Though cyanobacteria is also known as blue-green algae, but it is classified under Monera because they are prokaryotes. All other kingdoms such as Protista, Algae and Plantae are eukaryotes. The next question is, a gymnospermic leaf carries 16 chromosomes. The number of chromosomes in its endosperm is A. 24, B. 16, C. 12, D. 8. And the right answer is D. 8. Because gymnosperm leaf is diploid, so the chromosome number is 2n, that is equal to 16. Therefore, n equals to 8. And as we know, chromosome number of gymnospermic endosperm is haploid, so it will be n, that is equals to 8. Next question. Mannitol is the stored food material in A. Gracilaria, B. Cara, C. Porphyra, D. Fucus. And the answer will be D. Fucus. Mannitol is the stored food in Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae. So Fucus is brown algae, Cara is green algae, and Gracilaria and Porphyra are red algae. Next question. Laminaria and Fucus belong to A. Chlorophyceae, B. Phaeophyceae, C. Rhodophyceae, D. Cyanophyceae, and the answer will be B. Phaeophyceae. Chlorophyceae is green algae, Rhodophyceae is red algae, Cyanophyceae is blue-green algae, and the Phaeophyceae is brown algae. Next question. An alga which can be employed for food for human being is A. Polysiphonia, B. Eulothrix, C. Chlorella, D. Spirogyra. And the correct answer is C. Chlorella. Chlorella is a unicellular alga rich in proteins and is used as food supplement even by the space travelers. The rest algae in options do not store food in them. Next. Which of the following is responsible for peat formation? A. Sphagnum, B. Markensia, C. Riccia, D. Funaria. Answer is A. Sphagnum. We know sphagnum is known as peat moss. Sphagnum and Funaria are mosses and Riccia and Markensia are liverworts. Next question is, an example of colonial alga is A. Volvox, B. Eulothrix, C. Spirogyra, D. Chlorella. And the correct answer will be A. Volvox. The colony of Volvox is known as Cenobium. Eulothrix and Spirogyra are filamentous form of algae. Next. Life cycle of Ectocarpus and Fucus respectively are A. Diplontic, haplodiplontic, B. Haplodiplontic, diplontic, C. Haplodiplontic, haplontic, D. Haplontic, diplontic, and the correct answer is B. Haplodiplontic, diplontic. Generally, algae show haplontic life cycle, but Ectocarpus shows haplodiplontic and Fucus shows diplontic life cycle. Both of them are exception. Next. Artificial system of classification was given by A. Bentham and Hooker, B. Carolus Linnaeus, C. Hutchinson, D. R.H. Whittaker. And the correct answer is B. Carolus Linnaeus. Bentham and Hooker, natural classification system. Hutchinson, phylogenetic classification system. R.H. Whittaker proposed five kingdom classification system. Next question is, coralloid root is found in A. Marsillia, B. Pinus, C. Cycas, D. Adiantum. And the right answer is C. Cycas. Marsillia is aquatic fern and Adiantum is walking fern, and Cycas and Pinus are gymnospermy. Next question. Physiological anisogamy can be seen in A. Spirogyra, B. Chlamydomonas, C. Volvox, D. Fucus. The correct answer is A. Spirogyra. Physiological anisogamy is where gametes are morphologically similar but they differ in activity. So, Volvox and Fucus show oogamy. Next. The structure B is known as. Here we can see a diagram of female thallus of liverworts. So, the pointed structure A, B and C, and the structure B is known as A. Rhizoids, B. Gemmacup, C. Archegoniophore, D. Antheridiophore. And the correct answer will be B. Gemmacup. As it is female thallus of liverworts, so A is Archegoniophore and C is Rhizoids. Next question. In Pteridophyta, a spore germinates to produce A. Sporophyte, B. Sporangium, C. Prothallus, D. Microsporophyll. And the correct answer will be C. Prothallus. In pteridophytes, the spore germinates to form haploid, small but multicellular, free-living, mostly photosynthetic thalloid gametophyte called prothallus. Next. The sporophyte is the dominant phase in A. Pteridophytes, B. Gymnosperms, C. Angiosperms, D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. In bryophytes, gametophyte is dominant. And our last question is, haplodiplontic life cycle is found in A. Bryophytes, B. Pteridophytes, C. Fungi, D. Both A and B. And the answer will be A. Both A and B. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, both haplontic and diplontic life cycle is present. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends.